Welcome, everyone. I'm Melissa Joles with RDA Impact. We have Karen McMullen, Senior Channel Specialist, and Matt Denney, Application Specialist for Dynabrade. They're your presenters today. The presentation will take approximately 30 minutes. We are recording it, and we'll post it on our YouTube channel. If you have questions, you can type them in the chat box at the bottom right of your screen, and they will be answered during the presentation. Now, I'll turn it over to Karen.
Good afternoon, everyone. For those of you who were able to attend our webinar on April 8th, some of the presentation will be a review. However, we'll quickly be getting into some new material. We really appreciate you taking the time to attend today and are very much looking forward to working with this group more closely in the future. Over the past couple of years, Dynabrade has reinvigorated our commitment to the automotive aftermarket channel. Here are a few of the recent literature pieces highlighting the tools designed specifically for your customers' needs, including our Nitro line and portable vac systems. Please note that the National Detroit line in particular, as these popular tools are still available through Dynabrade. We also want to draw attention to our new buffing system, including pads and compounds, as well as our line of abrasive products that complement the tools that we offer. Here you see a quick agenda on what we're going to cover today. For those of you that don't know us, Dynabrade is a U.S. manufacturer. Our headquarters and manufacturing facility are located just outside of Buffalo, New York. Last year, we celebrated our 50th anniversary. We have a strong presence across the country when combining our automotive sales agencies, which if you didn't know, we share with SADA, and our territory managers. We have a U.S. sales force of nearly 70 people. There is someone in your area to help your team. The next few slides will show you the Dynabrade difference and how we can help you grow your business. Our sales team consists of in-field experts. They regularly analyze processes and make recommendations on how to improve tool and abrasive use. We pride ourselves on being easy to do business with. We are committed to supporting our network of distributors with technical support, product demonstrations, and dropship capabilities. Training is a key component for the Dynabrade team. We provide our representatives with extensive training, and thus they are prepared to conduct trainings in return. We offer a wide range of products designed for the automotive aftermarket in all of the categories shown here. Over the next few slides, we'll review some of these products. At Dynabrade, we manufacture pneumatic power tools for abrasive applications. New this year, we also began manufacturing our own backing pads. This slide shows a breakdown of our tool categories. Abrasive belt tools. The Dynafile design, shown in the bottom right image, was the tool that started Dynabrade. Not only are these tools top performing in the market, we carry the most diverse line of contact arm accessories to get the job done. We use the term general purpose to refer to those tools which can be seen across a wide range of industries and applications. Keep in mind these 11 bullet points are only product categories and cover over 500 SKUs in our offering, more than any of our competitors. Random orbital sanders is our best known category in the automotive aftermarket. We have an excellent reputation for these tools in particular. In fact, we are the global leader in both technology and sales for this category of tools. These products perform very well in hands-on demonstrations. The operator can easily feel the smooth running performance versus competitive tools. Our Extreme line offers the best weight to power ratio of any orbital sander in the market. Matt's going to jump in and review some of the differences between our Spirit line versus our Extremes.
Hello all, this is Matthew Denney. Hope everybody's doing well. Just want to go over the differences between the Spirit and the Extreme. As you can see that the Extreme series is 30% more powerful than the Spirit, but what that equals to for us out in the field when we're out there showing these units is that the Spirit is going to be geared towards more the small shops. Very lightweight, doesn't need a lot of air volume to support it. So the guy that has the 5 horsepower, 80-gallon tank compressor, he can run the Spirit no problem whatsoever. That would be more of a challenge for that Extreme version there. They're going to have more air volume because remember, more power means more air volume. So the guys that have the bigger compressor and plenty of air, we would steer them towards the Extreme to show the efficiency and the cost savings of that. Next slide.
Okay. Speaking of our Extreme line, these products are new for 2020. We recently released our 3-inch Extreme sanders, available in 2 orbits, 3/16 and 3/32 in both non-vac and vacuum-ready models. Built to the same standards as our 5 and 6-inch models, our Extreme line offers a difference you can feel. These are lightweight and offer a small grip for better handling and comfort. Melissa will be including a sell sheet for these items in a follow-up to this presentation.
Additionally to that, guys out there, this tool is a great little tool. It doesn't take a lot of power, a lot of air to support it. This tool can be run even on the very small compressors like your guys at your home shops that only maybe have 2 horsepower or so compressor. They can support this tool with that air volume. It's a great little tool to get in those tight little spaces.
In addition to launching the 3-inch Extremes, we are now offering combo packs. We have 4 different packs available. The options for the packs consist of non-vac tools versus vac tools, and you can choose between 3/16 orbit or 3/32, each containing a 3-inch Extreme, a 6-inch Extreme, backing pads for both tools, an optional speed control valve for the 6-inch model, and a sample pack of abrasives for the 3-inch sander. These combo packs have a list price of $599. It's a $640 value if the components were purchased individually. A sell sheet for these combo packs will also be included in the follow-up from Melissa. So in the end of 2018, we launched our Nitro series to replace the former Autobrade Red line of tools. The Nitro series is a performance upgrade from the previous offering at a better price point to the customer. Here's a snapshot of the tools offered in the Nitro line. As I mentioned previously, National Detroit products are still available through Dynabrade, including parts and repairs. Dustless sanding. We've seen an increase in interest in the dustless sanding options lately due to the limited availability of masks. Matt is going to discuss our Mini-Raptor vacuum systems over the next few slides to better familiarize you with our offering.
Okay, these are the new packages available specifically for the automotive aftermarket. They come with everything needed to get one operator up and running. The vacuum or a 6-inch DA with a backing pad, combination vacuum hose, air line, plus pack of abrasives. We are currently running a promotion on these vacuum systems and accessories exclusively for RDA members through June 30th. As you know, with the COVID-19 situation, PPE is an issue out there. So people that are still in business are having hard access to get source capturing type application or protect themselves. So this is a kind of key factor for people to be aware of. People are looking at source capturing again. On our Mini-Raptor vacuums, are powerful enough to run even 2 operators simultaneously. This slide shows you the accessories needed to convert your Mini-Raptor pack into 2 operator systems. For the standard pack, okay, the standard pack is just the vacuum and the stander and the hose. Okay, you can convert that into a 2 operator system. As you can see on this slide, these are the part numbers that are needed to convert that over. On our Pro pack, you need those items plus the additional side hanger for organization purposes on the Pro pack system. The Pro pack seems to be the majority of our sales out there, but somebody that is extremely cost conscious, then the standard pack is an option for them. As you can see, the top 10 reasons to choose a Dynabrade Mini-Raptor Vac. These are things that we come across a lot in the field. The vacuum head is easily removed, allowing to clear access to the bag and filter. Some of the competitor systems that are out there are extremely difficult, and when you're trying to keep the dust down, that becomes an issue. Canister size. We definitely have the large canister size versus our competitors. Our competitors out there are much smaller as far as their source capturing capability. We are majority of the time twice the size of source capturing. Our Mini Raptor Vacs allow 2 tool hookups, and designed to run 2 tools simultaneously, providing plenty of air to each tool for proper tool RPM under load. The vacuums, and I gotta say, this is probably one of the #1 ones for me when we start talking about the systems versus the competitors. Every electric vacuum that's out there has about between 1,000 to 1,200 hours design life to the motor itself. On a competitor's units, when those go down, you have to buy an entire system. That's a big cost. Ours, all you have to do is do the replacement power unit, as the part numbers mentioned, and look at the list price, $140. Huge, huge win when you're showing this to your customers. It takes about 20 minutes to switch out that head, very easy, but this is a huge selling point, people. The Pro packs also feature the auto on and off. The Mini-Raptor hose assembly with integrated air line. Overhose makes it ergonomically friendly system, which does not catch on the edge of the work surface or leave streak marks behind. The Pro Pack system provides storage for the tool, hose, as well as abrasive in a compact footprint. Dynabrade hose are fully conductive. Having a conductive system allows you to use a vacuum for applications where static electricity becomes an issue. And this is extremely important issue here, because that static electricity will transfer to the operator's hand if they do not have conductive hoses. And that's a very prevalent in like fiberglass type of sanding applications. These Mini-Raptor systems are certified M class. They are equipped with HEPA filtration down to 0.3 micron. And that's extremely important into the jurisdictions where this is being enforced for M class vacuums. There's certain vacuums that are out in the marketplace that are competitors that are not M class. They are what's called L class. And that L class is a micron that's 0.5 micron. So a larger amount of dust is entering into their shop without their knowledge. It's not a true M class capture rate of 0.3. That's the particle size. You want to capture as much particle as possible in your shop. Also, our systems can be used in wet or dry applications. Any questions?
We'll now pause. Yep.
So sorry about that. Go ahead.
That's okay. I was going to say we're now going to pause for a chance to take any questions you might have on our vacuum systems.
I don't see any yet, but if anybody has a question, go ahead and type it in the chat box.
We'll also give you an opportunity for questions at the end of the presentation as well. So, all right, we'll move on. Supporting accessories. Our abrasive offering covers all of the most commonly used items to run on our tools. I mentioned our buffing systems with compounds and pads earlier in the presentation. I also mentioned that we recently began to manufacture our own backing pads. This affords us the opportunity to be very cost competitive and gives our customers the option to explore private branded backing pads as well. We have all these items and more available to support the use of our tools. Cost savings is another Dynabrade difference that we offer. In fact, the latest edition of the SATA News published a case study on a recent cost savings that resulted in a potential savings of over $15,000 over the course of 2 years for the body shop studied. I've provided that article to Melissa to distribute to the group after the presentation as well. Matt, do you want to take a minute or two to expand on this case study?
Absolutely, thanks. What it was a shop that was currently using a slow speed straight die grinder with a beige wheel decal remover, pinstripe remover, something that we probably all see in these shops, very commonly used, and people use, and they do quite a bit of this, especially for double-sided tape removal. With our new tool, I wanted to see what the difference was with our tool combined with our new abrasive wheel. It's a beige wheel as well, but different design. And when we did a actual test, we, on the process of 2 years labor savings alone, was about $12,000 in savings. So we were able to do it much faster than the current rate. But the other thing that really caught our attention was the abrasive usage, or the wheel usage, went down quite a bit. They had a 2-year savings just in abrasives alone of $3,500. And now this is for one tool with one operator. So you can imagine if multiple operators, how much cost savings that would apply to them in their shop. The other thing that this allowed for me with this particular customer is it gave me the opportunity to check out their entire process on how they do and where I can help them with cost saving applications. As you well know, everybody's very dollar conscious out there, and they're probably taking more and more time to take a look at where they're spending the money and how they can save. Dynabrade has the territory managers, has the expertise to go out there and help them with their manufacturing process and be able to document it for them to show them the true cost savings.
Great, thanks, Matt. In addition to reaching out directly to our agencies, remember, like I said earlier, we share the same reps as SATA, and in case you aren't familiar with who in your area might rep for Dynabrade. We've also developed a web link available to you as well, and you can share this with your customers also. When you use this web link shown at the bottom of your screen, a message will come straight to my cell phone where I can then reach out to the appropriate sales rep in your area to assist you. So that's that dynabrade.com/AA help. And Melissa will be sending out that link also in the follow-up. Additionally, you can find support materials such as parts breakdowns, literature for download, and other related information at dynabrade.com. And for those of you on Instagram, please follow our automotive focused page at Dynabrade_auto. Here we post information relevant to the automotive aftermarket industry and encourage interaction with our brand through conversations as well as contests. So thank you very much for your time today. I look forward to working with all of you in the near future, and we'll now take a few minutes to answer any questions you might have.
I will follow up with everybody who attended the webinar and send Karen and Matt's contact information along with all the attachments we discussed, and you can follow up with them directly.
That sounds great. Well, thank you again, and everyone have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, everyone. Be safe, and we'll be in touch with future training opportunities. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Karen.